What's up, people? We're here again with more Prelude restoration. Today we're going to try filling in all these little pits and sand again. Unfortunately, there are some holes. Like, I'm going to have to redo stuff over here. But over here, maybe not. I had too much hardener last time, and that's why it came out all kind of gloppy. So the goal here is to use less hardener, more filler, and hopefully it should apply smoother. Then we need to cover the rest of this stuff. I need to sand a little more here. I cover this all the way up to right about here, and then cover this up here. And then sand it again, and we should be all good. So obviously the first thing I need to do, gotta put on my gloves. This stuff gets everywhere. 90 right now. It's only gonna get worse. It's almost summertime. Alright, so got the hardener out. And then now I'm going to take my little mixing stick, try and get a little bit of filler out. Should be enough for now. And then we're going to take this little filler, put a little line. Am I out of filler? Or hardener? Yeah, hardener. Put a little line down the middle like that. And then we're just gonna, fuck. Well, there goes that. So we're trying to get it as flat as possible again, then sand it, and just keep doing that over and over again. I have the air compressor going so I can blow it all off before I put new filler on. Alright, so I went on and put on another layer of filler. Now, there are some uneven bits, but I'm going to sand them down. But I'm starting to fill all the little cavities and holes that have popped up. So I have to wait a little bit, sand it, and then do it again. Then I get to do the same thing on this side, and then start evening it out on top. And then, yeah, we'll be all good. Alright, so I just put down a little pencil line for the body line is supposed to go on the panel. So what I need to do is, once I do another round of sanding, I need to try and build it up a little bit right where that line is. Frankly, I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this or how I'm going to get it right, because as you can see, there is no body line. It's just like not there. So we'll see. All right, it's been right around half an hour, so it is time to sand this once more. as of right now, this is where the dent stands. It's still rough. It's still rough. Frankly, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just doing it. Off camera, I went ahead and laid out another batch. Problem is, it's so hot outside. It starts to harden while I'm still spreading it, so I end up with stuff like this, which makes me have to sand even more. But I would say my application skills are getting better for the most part. I just need to sand, fill, sand, fill, sand, fill, just keep going like that. And then, yeah, so it's coming along. Well, I've gone over, done more sanding. I am a mess, so. Well, I went through and paved a little bit more, and for the most part, I'm pretty much done. I just need to sand it flat and then try and figure out how to get the body line going. So it's almost there, almost. Well, it's time to sand one more time before it starts to rain, and then I'll be done for the day. Okay, well, here's what we have for today. So now all I gotta do is put it back in the garage, and that'll be it. Might work on it some more tomorrow, who knows. I guess it did something. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. I think this is what part 10. We're getting close. Once I finish the filler, I can sand it and then repaint. I'm also getting this fixed pretty soon. My windshield cowl finally came in because Honda wouldn't do it without it. So now they can replace it, and then I can see again. All right, that's it.